Hi guys. Yep, tonight is Friday night. I'm gonna take my E46 to do a driving cycle because I need to clear this cat incomplete. It's not ready, so I could not get the smog to pass. Um, it's a bummer that I have to do this process because I did replace my alternator one time, and when you replace an alternator, you have to disconnect the battery. Once you disconnect the battery, I guess the computer will reset it or something like that. So all those stuff need to, kind of reset it back by doing this driving cycle. All right, so tonight is the night I'm gonna take her to do a driving cycle. I know it's very tedious or inconvenient, but I guess that's only time that I can perform this process. All right, well, see you guys. I will put a stopwatch in here in my Android head unit here. There's a stopwatch in there. It's pretty cool. You can see it while I'm driving. All right. Guys, I know it's kind of weird. You can see the time right now is 12:30 a.m. It's midnight. So this is the time that I gonna go do a driving cycle. I was kind of sleepy, and first of all, I'm start up a cold start, and I will leave it about 3 minutes or something like that. My start right here now is more than 3 minutes. But, I want to go a little bit more, and while you do a cold start, you want to crank up your AC all the way, and also turn on your rear defroster as well. Get the higher load. The more load is the better. So it's more than 3 minutes already. The more the better. I want to warm it up. Now after I warm it up on the cold start, I want to go to drive for 4 minutes within 20 to 30 miles per hour. Then after that, I will go from 40 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. Maintain a steady speed within that range for 15 minutes. So that's why I'm going at this time, so there's no traffic. Hopefully nobody behind me. Now you can see I'm driving on the freeway, maintain between 40 to 60 miles per hour. It is now 12:51 a.m. I have to put my emergency light on so people know that I'm driving slow. Hopefully HP come and ask me or anything like that. And make sure you don't want to go over 3,000 RPM. Try to go under 3,000. And I also put a timer right here. It is now 3 minutes 30 seconds on a 40 to 60 miles per hour for 15 minutes. It's good things nobody behind me. They my emergency lights on, so they pass me all the time, which is good. So this is a good time to do your driving cycle for your car. I know it's a bummer. It's just like almost 1 o'clock a.m. past midnight. That's the only time you can do, guys. So yeah, it is now 4 minutes something already, and I also monitor my OBD2 right here. See, it says the CAT monitor is incomplete. Hopefully it's gonna be complete. It's more than 15 minutes already, so I'm gonna decelerate it, come down to a stop, and idle for 5 minutes. I need to pull over somewhere on the shoulder and put into a neutral. Okay, I come to a complete stop. I'm gonna time it for 5 minutes. Put it in neutral. The engine's on. And it's been 30 something seconds already. Hopefully CHP did not come and ask me what's going on. And you can see my cat monitor still say incomplete. So hopefully after this 5 minutes, and now I come to a complete stop without changing any gear, pressing on any brake, and then idle with the engines on for 5 minutes. That's okay. It's 5 minutes already, so I'm gonna stop past there, and then you can see here I don't have any code, no code found, code summary. Okay, so there's no code found. The only thing is that cat is not ready. That's why it's not passed. So I'm good to go now. I can just go back and drive normal. Then I will let you know in the morning and connect the OBD again and see if my cat's ready or not. Hopefully, guys, cross my finger. Alright guys, this is the next day morning after I do a drive cycle test last night. I'm gonna check with my OBD2 scanner here. I'm gonna connect it, and then we'll see if the cat, remember my cat is not ready. It keeps saying incomplete, so I'm gonna connect this OBD2 today. Open the door so I can show you where I connect this OBD2 down there. Let me open that up. Things fall down. Plug it in. Right there. That's where the E46 OBD2 is located. I have to go down to this is vehicle diagnostic. I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, it says working. Okay, vehicle. I'm gonna select European because this is BMW. Come down to European, hit enter. It's working right now. And then I have to go through the year. Blah blah. And it's a car. I'm gonna hit enter. And it's a BMW. Enter. I don't know why it's not focused. Okay, and there's E46. So it's a lot of E46 model here. I'm gonna go to M3. Oh, I passed it. Right there, E46 M3. Enter. It's a 3.2 liter. Enter. And they said, okay, please turn the key off for 10 seconds, then turn on. Grab my key here. The car's already been turned off, so I'm gonna click it on. Just turn to position 2, just like that. And then I can come in here and press enter on my OBD2 scanner. And it's communicating right now. Alright, it said IM monitor tests are complete. Okay, hit enter. It's communicating with the vehicle. Now you can see all these are okay, which is good. Let's go down to the cat monitor. Complete. Alright, misfire, fuel okay. Composition, the cat monitor okay right there, guys. Cool. right there in the bottom one. See, last night it showed that incomplete INC. Now it's okay. So this process is work awesome. Cool. Now I can take my car to the smog station. Read the code. I have any code. No code found. Code summary. That's it. So I'm good. My car is good. Ready to go. Alright guys. So this is how you do it when you can't say incomplete on the E46. I have an M3. So this is the process you're supposed to do, guy. I know it's very annoying, very inconvenient, but I guess that's the only way to get up midnight just to go and drive it according to this driving cycle process. Alright guys, so if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more content video of my E46. That's what my channel is all about. It's about my E46 M3 cruising, road trip, car meet, all this kind of stuff. All right, I'm on my way to get my car smog. Finally, I get this drive cycle complete, and it shows that it is complete. It's okay now on my OBD2 scanner. So today I'm on my way to get that smog. Good thing that I get this thing done, and this process works great, guys. So I will put the process flow for you guys if you need it. I mean, know that you guys know about this process already, but I'm just making this video for you guys on my E46 M3 that was not ready for smog. It's showing that my cat is not ready. It's incomplete. Now it is complete. After that, after midnight driving, it's kind of sucked, They said there is a way that you can, bypass without disconnecting the battery to reset the computer and all that kind of stuff. There's a unit that plug onto your cigarette lighter, so that way it's protecting from the surge and all kind of stuff, or short or anything like that. So your battery stay there, so it won't reset the computer. That's what AAA truck use all the time. That's what I heard from other people telling me. So if you guys know anything about this stuff, please comment below and let me know. So that way, next time in the future, I don't have to disconnect the battery. It's a headache. Get up, middle of midnight while the traffic is clear and all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's not fun, and it's kind of tedious. But it's not that bad at all. I mean, it's only a couple minutes you have to do that driving cycle. As long as you complete that process, the next day when you start your car or hooked up your OBD2, it should say it's okay or it's clear. Guarantee. I guarantee for that, because as long as you follow that process. Before you take your car to smog, make sure you drive your car for a few miles, and let the car warm up, and that way you know for sure that everything is warming up, everything's ready to go. So that's another FYI for you to do a smog. Now when your car is still cold and you did not drive around for a few miles, and you just start your car and drive straight to the smog. I mean, I'm saying if your smog is kind of close to you for a couple miles down, your car might not be ready. I'm not sure, but that's what they recommend. So I've been driving around for, I would say, maybe
10-15 miles already, so it should be good. Now when you get to that smog station, don't turn off the car, just leave the car on, let it run, and then they will hook it up and do all that, you know, process. Okay. One other thing I forgot to tell you, I removed my cold air intake, put the OEM stock intake back. So this guy, he's checking it. I am running my stock air intake right now. So, and I don't think you can hear my engine noise back there. Still like a stock sound right now. It still sounds good, no raspy, because I still have the Row Engineering exhaust in the back. I did not take that one out, so that's why I still you know, you can still hear that deep sound as well. You can hear that, right? Yeah, so sounds nice. Now when I put that AFE cold intake, it sounds even better. He owned a Beamer as well. This guy like Beamer. He's a cool guy. All right. You can see I put my air box back here. These are more. Rev that thing. That's nice. What does it show? Ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Right, cool, dude. So I can go back and put my air intake back, right?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, man.
All right.
All right, thanks, Zach. See ya. All right, man. Cool, it's passed, guys. See that? See that process? Awesome. All right, guys. As you can see, pass. Result pass. OBD2. Liquid fuel check. Smog check. Pass. Cool, man. Cool. So this process is awesome, guys. If your Beamer E46 cat is not ready, this is the solution to get it passed. Cool, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Just another content of my E46 video. Peace. Have fun. Stay safe. Awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe for more content.